everyone, if you are interested in cryptocurrency and want to get more information about cryptocurrency project, then don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for latest updates. So today we bring a new amazing cryptocurrency project. Its name is GIMPP. So guys, before waste your time, I am starting the video. Guys, you can see this interface of this project. You can see the GIMPP. No pain, no gain. Let's start pumping our pockets. Next guy, you can see this contact address of this project GIMPP, and next guy we discuss about PP Gym. PP Gym is more than just a meme coin. It's a movement launched on the Solana blockchain. PP Gym is designed to bring together fitness enthusiasts and crypto investors. Our mission is to create a community where gains are not just physical but also financial. And that guy, you can check here more details. You can see this page is loading. You can see this how to buy GMPP. You guys, you can buy it soon. You can see this number one, use Phantom Wallet. Download Phantom Wallet or your preferred wallet from the App Store or Google Play Store for free. If you are using a desktop, get the Google Chrome extension from Phantom.app. And next guy, you can see you can get Lona. Make sure you have Sol in your wallet to convert to GMPP. If you don't, you can buy Sol on Phantom, transfer it from another wallet, bridge it from any blockchain, or buy it on another exchange and transfer it to your wallet. And next guys, you can see that you can visit Radium. Connect to Radium or your preferred AMM on Solana. Open Radium.io in your web browser or within the Phantom app browser. Connect your wallet, select Sol in your ping selection, enter the GMPP token address in the to receive section, confirm the transaction, view your wallet and sign when prompted. And that guy, you can see you can switch from Sol for GMPP. Switch Sol for GMPP. We have zero taxes, so you don't need to worry about buying with a specific slippage, although you may need to use slippage during times of market volatility. And that guy, you can see the tokenomics of this project. You can see the token supply. You can check here. You can see this team 1%, marketing 10%, airdrop 15%, DX 74%. And next guys, we discuss this project GMPP roadmap. Phase 1, launch and community building. Launch PP Gym token on the Solana blockchain, airdrop, establish strong social media presence and community channels including Twitter and Telegram. And next we discuss phase 2, expansion and partnership. Listing on Radium for trading, CMC listing, CG listing, Moontook and others. Listing on second tier cryptocurrency exchanges, exclusive PPG merchandise launch including apparel and fitness accessories. And next guy, you can check here phase 3, utility and growth. Stacking rewards for holders, providing additional incentives for long-term investment in PP Gym. Launch of PP Gym fitness events and competitions both online and in major cities around the world. And next guy, you can check here future goals, continuous development and enhancement of the PP Gym ecosystem, including new features based on community needs and partnerships with tier 1 exchange listing. And next guys, you can see this, you can join this project on following social media platform, Telegram, Twitter. So we go to this project, Telegram group chat community. So guys, you can see this PP to the gym official Telegram group channel open. Guys, you can view in Telegram. You can follow this channel. You can see the 357 subscribers. So guys, you can follow this. And next we go to this project official Twitter page. So guys, you can see this PP Gym official Twitter page is open. Guys, you can follow this and give information about this project. Guys, you can join this community for fitness and crypto athletes. You can see this all Twitter post of this project PP Gym. You can see this all post. You can see this. You can see this all replies. You can click this and see this replies, highlights. You can click this and see this highlights. You can click this and see this media of this Twitter page PP Gym. You can see this and next back to the home page. So guys, this website video is finished. If you all like my video, then don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for latest update.